you are just a beginner or someone that are very curious in starting your own online business, then make sure that you stay right till the end of this Q&A session, because I'm going to share with you the tips for beginners to start selling products online. Hello, welcome back to SuperMom TV. Today is our first Q&A Friday. Every single Friday, I'll be doing a Q&A session. So my topic is mostly will be on how to make money online. So please leave down your comments in the comment section below. I will read them and answer them every single Friday. So make sure that you are subscribed to me if you haven't already done so, because every Friday I'll be sharing with you all the tips and tricks on how you can make money online. And don't forget to click the little bell so that you will be notified every single time a new video is out. So I've gathered a few questions from some of our YouTubers friends here in YouTube. A little disclaimer here, all the answers that I'm sharing is based on my own personal experience and what works best for me. It has been working very well for me, so that's why I'm sharing these tips. The first one is from Alexandra. So her question is, what is the easiest way to do online business? Because there are so many different types of online money making programs. I have been doing online business since 2014. I have finalized that the best online business to do is dropshipping. This is a very convenient way for a stay-at-home mom like myself to handle a full business and operate it back at home. Why I say dropshipping model is a very convenient way for you to earn money online. You do not need to hold any stock. And what you need to do is just find a reputable supplier, and the supplier will ship the products directly to your customer with no minimum quantity. So you do not need to buy the stocks in bulk and ship it yourself. So this drop shipping method is a very good business model. The second question is also from Alexandra. She asked about the pros and cons of this online business. I will start with pros first. You do not need to handle and manage any inventory, meaning is you don't have to buy the stocks in bulk. Thus, this comes to the second pros, which it requires only very minimal investment. In other words, for dropshipping, you only need a very low startup cost. As for the cons, you will be having low profit margin, because since you do not need to buy wholesale products in bulk, you will be risking of higher price item. And because that this business model is very easy to set up, it is also very competitive. So anyone with a little bit of dropshipping knowledge can actually start this business. And the third con is there's no control of product quality and the fulfillment speed. You do not need to hold the physical stock. That's why there is no quality control over the product that you sell. Now moving on to the third question. This question is from Daniel. Which are the top 5 online platforms to sell a product online? So I will categorize it into 2 different types of online platforms. So the first 3 is going to be an online marketplace. In no specific order is eBay, Amazon, and QOO10. And the second category will be the e-commerce platforms, which are the subscription-based ones. The first one is Shopify, and the second one is BigCommerce. I will have all the links in the description box below, so to check out all the links that I've mentioned. So the second question by Daniel. So he asked how to determine what are the hot products to sell online. This is a very good question. It's a frequently asked question. So you need to do a lot of market research before you start your business. So the best way is to source for trending products that are likely to be popular in the future. You can check out Kickstarter.com, Wish.com, and also Google Trends. Another way that you can do your market research is through social shopping sites like Facebook and Instagram. These are very good place to do your product research. I have a video made previously, so I will link the video tutorial on how you can search for hot selling products. So the third question by Daniel. What are the steps to follow for beginner to start selling products online? So the very first steps is definitely, like what I've mentioned before, is the product research. Once you have found a couple of hundreds good selling products, you can start to categorize them in your e-commerce store. So as a start, it is best for you to have a few categories of items. For example, you have kitchen category, second maybe car category, third will be interior. You have a few categories on your e-commerce store. Along the way, once you start to sell, and you can start to narrow down the products, and you can come up with another niche store. So that's all for today's questions. So I've answered 5 of your questions. Do remember to leave all your questions about making money online down in the comments below so that I will answer them next Friday. So I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye!